Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. These methods will help you clean the bags under the eyes without going to the cosmetologist. Practically every person, especially aged, faces such a problem as bags under the eyes. Few people know how to cope with this, some on the side of cosmetics, and others on the side of the people. That's why we'll tell you how to remove bags under the eyes at home without using any means. 1. Get a good sleep, because as we know, a healthy sleep is one of the effective ways to keep the youth of the skin and get rid of dark circles under the eyes. 2. Start consuming less caffeine. As we know, caffeine consumption dehydrates the skin, making it dry and emphasizing your bags under the eyes. 3. Limit alcohol consumption and stop smoking. Alcohol usually draws some water from the body cells, making bags under the eyes more visible. 4. Often cool the skin. Since cooling the area around the eyes helps to eliminate swelling under the eyes. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.